Yeah, hi friends. In this video, we are going to discuss how to run the Tomcat server as a service in Windows. Okay, so for running Tomcat server as a service in Windows, first of all, we need to install the Tomcat application in our system. So for installing purpose, so I'm going to share this URL in the description. You can use to download the Tomcat server. Copy this URL and paste here. Here you will find the multiple versions of the Tomcat. Like you can find the zip, tor, Windows 32-bit, Windows 64. Based on your system compatibility, you need to choose one thing. So, but our intention is we need to run Tomcat server as a service. Okay, to run the Tomcat server as a service in Windows, we need to download this Windows Service installer. Okay, just click this one. It is going to download. So go to the downloads. Okay, then double click this one. So it will ask the question to install. Click the yes, click the next button, and this is a license. I'm accepting this license. Then check the host manager and example. Click the next, and here the default Tomcat server will run on the 8080 port. So if you want, you can change this port. Okay. So then I will keep the 9090. So the service. So as we discussed, we are going to run the Tomcat as a service in Windows, right? So every service, it is going to have the one name. In our case, we are going to give one name to this service. So by default, it is showing as a Tomcat name. So now I'm going to give as a Java. I mean anything. Mm, like give the give like test. So this is going to be my service name. Okay, so then after you have to give the username and password. So I'm going to username as a Shiva, and I'm going to give the password. So then after you can click the next button, and this is our Java version. So before you are installing this Tomcat in your, so you have to set up the Java first, then only we can start installing this. Okay, then click the install button. So it is installing. So now click the finish button. So now see the server is running. So we can check the Tomcat server is running or not. Localhost. So the port which we gave at the time of the installation is 9090, right? 9090. So see the Tomcat server is running. So this is the way to run the Tomcat server as a service in Windows system. So mostly the question, so why we need to run this Tomcat server as a service in Windows, right? So why? Because so if you want to, I mean, it is a normal way. So if you want to, mostly the applications will be run in the servers. In the servers, some cases you are going to get the service Windows servers in production or UAT or anywhere. So that time definitely you need to run the Tomcat as a service. Okay. So click the manager app and give the password which we provided. Okay, so maybe I need to do some configurations. Okay, anyway, Tomcat service is running. So now we want to see this, how to stop and how to start this service, right? So click here in search box, you can search with services. Okay, in the services you can able to see. So this is our Tomcat service, right? It is running as a service in our Windows server. So now if you want to stop this one, you can click the stop button here. So if you want to, so now I stop the Tomcat server. Let's check. So now I'm going to refresh this page. So see, the server got stopped. So that's why we are able to see the connection refused. Okay, now I'm going to start this one. So by clicking this start, you can see we can refresh the screen now. So so it is running. So so this is the way, guys. So this is the way to run the Tomcat server as a service in Windows. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and please go to my YouTube channel. So there I provided some Tomcat related series, so you can check that one.